Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Blade A73. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, or just close it right away by hitting OK. Now select Close in white pop-up at the top and hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Now it's time to go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit allow a couple of times. Then access your files. After selecting all of them, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input Key on ZTE. If you wish to input this key instead, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Then click on Download after Watch Ad. I will stick with the QR code, so when I tap, I need to close an ad. Allow camera access and point ZTE's camera at the code. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!